hello, Andarki, Namaskaram. Welcome to another brand new live episode with Varamahalakshmi Silks. So, as promised in the morning, I told that I'll be coming to the live evening with another brand new collection. So, yes, I am here with another lovely collection and one of my favorite collections because these are lovely Georgette sarees. And you know, one plus thing what's good in Georgette saree, you look very thin. So if you are someone who is like looking for the slim and perfect fit, Georgette with the best choice, because I know Georgettes are like just beautiful. It will always be stuck to your body. It's so body friendly. Color is extremely brilliant, and device is also in every design, every combinations, everything are really pretty. So yes, I don't want to delay much, so let me get into the video. So let me start with my saree first. So I am wearing this beautiful green and red. Coming to the body, zari checks. Coming to the border, beautiful peacocks and florals and lines. Coming to the pallu, so beautiful floral jal. So then blouse, it's a beautiful contrast one. I'll give you the pricing and the contact details. So here it is. The code is AB333. And the price retails for 8,640. That's a very pretty and a lovely one. Actually, I'm just loving the collections because, as you all know, every Georgette saree is pretty, and especially the colors. And one more thing to be disclosed, that is we have global courier service. International shipping is available. We are gonna ship the sarees within 24 hours, but the time that you're gonna reach is take a little bit of time. So please be patient. Please do cooperate. You will be receiving your saree as early as possible. So moving on to the next lovely saree and see how beautiful they are. So yes, one more amazing saree which is in the color blue and red. This is also a lovely combination which is in the color blue and red. So coming to the body, beautiful forest theme. Coming to the border, forest theme with floral jal and diamond with lines. Come to the pallu, beautiful yallis and floral and leaf booties. So let's see the blouse. We have got a very pretty contrast one. This is also extremely lovely. I'll give you the pricing and the contact details. So here it is. The code is Z170 and the price retails for 8,640. So very lovely, very colorful. The designs are, every design is beautiful. Every color is like mesmerizing. So every saree is like beautiful from each other. So I will be showing you all such lovely sarees. So andarki ilanti beautiful sarees anni chupinchestanu. So anduke ma live ni end varaku watch cheyandi and filter few of our collections and get your hands on them. So moving on to the next one. Wow. Here comes another beautiful one, and ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ಜಾರ್ಜೆಟ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಷ್ಟ ಜಾರ್ಜೆಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ. ಜಾರ್ಜೆಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ. ಸೊ ಅಂಥ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಜಾರ್ಜೆಟ್ನ ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ತೋರಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಹುಡುಗಿಯರ್ಗೂ ಸಣ್ಣ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅಂಥವರು ಖಂಡಿತ ಜಾರ್ಜೆಟ್ನ ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗ್ಲೂ ನೀವು ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಇಂಥ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಕಾಡಿ ಜಾರ್ಜೆಟ್ ಅಂತೂ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇದನ್ನೇ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿವರ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ಗೆ ಬರ್ತಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಖಂಡಿತ ಟ್ರೈ ಅಂತೂ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ದ ಲವ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕಲರ್ ಪಿಂಕ್. ಸೊ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಬಾಡಿ, let's see the body. Come to the body, bandhani florals in cross checks. Coming to the border, floral jal. Let's see the pallu, beautiful bandhani dots and floral booties. So let's see the blouse. We have got an amazing self one. It's actually beautiful. Now let's look on to the next pretty one. Here comes the code. The code is Y153 and the price it is for 9,840. Now எப்போ என்னோட சாரீ பாருங்க. இப்போ வந்து என்னோட ஃபேவரட் கலர் க்ரீன் வந்து எனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். ஃப்ரம் தி ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஐ ஸ்டார்டட் லவ்விங் க்ரீன். இப்போ வந்து அது எப்படி இருக்கணும், என்ன இருக்கணும், இப்போ அந்த சாரியில் வந்து பாருங்க. ஸோ எஸ், மூவிங் ஆன் டு த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லவ்லி கலர், என்னோட ஃபேவரட் கலர். பாடி வந்து ரொம்ப அழகான டிசைன் இருக்குது. ஸோ பாடி வந்து ஆல் ஓவர் ஃப்ளோரல் புட்டி. Come to the border, we have got floral jal and zigzag lines. இது வந்து கூட ரொம்ப டிசைன் வந்து ரொம்ப அழகாக இருக்கு. ஒரு டீடைலிங் வந்து ரொம்ப அழகாக இருக்கு. ஸோ பார்டர் வந்து floral jal and zigzag lines இருக்கு. இப்போ பல்லு பார்க்கலாம். பல்லு வந்து floral and leaf jal. Blouse வந்து பியூட்டிஃபுல் கான்ட்ராஸ்ட், ரொம்ப ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கு, ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கு. இப்போ வந்து என்னோட சாரியோட டீட்டெயில்ஸ் நான் கொடுக்குறேன். இது வந்து கோட் V481. இந்த சாரியோட ப்ரைஸ் வந்து 8000. எனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிக்குது. ஸோ சாரீஸ் எல்லாமே ரொம்ப அழகாக இருக்கு. ஐ எம் ஜஸ்ட் லவ்விங் இன் த கலெக்ஷன்ஸ் அண்ட் ஆஸ் ஐ ஆல்ரெடி டோல்ட் யூ earlier, Georgette colors, Georgette sarees are very beautiful, especially for girls because you look very slim. That is one more plus point in Georgette sarees because I perfectly love that because Georgette are beautiful. It's so body friendly, it's very light on your body, very body friendly. At the same time, Varmalakshmi is giving you such a beautiful discounted price which is extremely beautiful. So moving on to the next lovely color and see how lovely and beautiful the next color is going to look. So as I already told you earlier, like our videos will be saved on Instagram, IGTV, Facebook and also YouTube. Like, share, subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. So coming to the body, so beautiful floral booties and cross checks. So here comes the border, so beautiful diamonds and floral with jars and lines. Okay, so this is the border and let's see the pallu. So here comes the pallu, so beautiful floral brocade. And here comes the blouse. We have got a very pretty contrast one. This is actually beautiful. I'll give you the pricing and the contact details. So here it is. The code is AB326 and the price details for 8000. So yes, that is it. Now let's look on to another pretty one and see how beautiful and amazing it is. So moving on to the next lovely color and see how lovely and amazing these are. Wow, this is another beautiful one which is in the color blue, green and pink. Coming to the body, floral booties and zari. Come to the border, floral and leaf jal in lines. Let's see the pallu, floral brocade with leaf jals and lines. And let's see the blouse. We have got a beautiful contrast one. This is actually pretty. I'll give you the pricing and the contact details. So here it is. The code is AD207 and the price it tells for 8320. This is actually beautiful. And as I already told you earlier, all those lovely collections of a Viva's price. So don't forget to get your lovely sarees on your hand because every saree, every design is amazing. Every collections are beautiful. So I will be showing you all the lovely colors because I have n number of colors and collections to show you. So watch the live till the end and get your favorite ones on your hand. So moving on to the next pretty color. Wow, so people who love beige colors, who love pastel colors, they will definitely love this. It's a beautiful light brown, so beautiful light brown. This is actually very very pretty. So come to the border. Let's see the body. Body is peacocks and elephants and cross checks. And here comes the border. The border is floral and leaf jal and lines. And let's see the pallu, beautiful floral brocade. And here comes the blouse. The pure blouse is very pretty, beautiful. I'll show you. It's a lovely self one. Actually pretty, right? So I'll give you the pricing and the contact details. So here it is. The code is AB311 and the price details for 7760. That's a very pretty and a cool one. The sarees are extremely brilliant, the colors are amazing and the designs are beautiful. So moving on to the next lovely color and see how lovely and amazing the next saree is going to look. Wow, it's a beautiful mustard and red saree. It's a khadi georgette again. So coming to the body, beautiful saree checks. Come to the border, paitani border. Coming to the pallu, paitani pallu. So let's see the blouse, beautiful contrast. Okay, I'll show the saree in detail and also give you the pricing and the contact details. The code is Z158 and the price details for 13,920. So let's have a look, and as I already told you earlier, we have our outlets in Andhra, Telangana, Karnataka, and also in Tamil Nadu. We have the biggest store in Kanchipuram, so do visit your favorite nearest Varamahalakshmi store to avail the best lovely collections, because there you get to see hundreds of collections, hundreds of sarees, and you will have a choice to pick up your favorite ones. But ikkadaithe I will be showing you all with any discomforts. I will be showing you all the beautiful colors. Chudandi meeku nachino teeseskondi. So the saree is ready to watch. Let's have a proper look. That's a very beautiful and a lovely color. I hope you loved Paithani Georgette. So I have beautiful lots more collections to show you. So without any further ado, I will be showing you all. So moving on to the next one. இந்த saree வந்து ரொம்ப ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கு. இது வந்து blue and red ஓட காம்பினேஷன்ல இருக்கு. Body வந்து elephants and peacocks and florals. Border on the floral jal, pallu on the floral brocade, blouse on the contrast. Romba romba alaga irukku innoda design detailing prathiyondu like romba romba alaga irukku innoda details and code na ipo kudukuren. In the saree oda code vandu AB334. In the saree oda price vandu 7,680. So it's a beautiful collection. So moving on to the next one. Innond saree nodbana. So ee saree bandu namge green color alli ide. So tumbane chennagide, green color, sea green color bandide. So body ella namge full animal with floral jal and zari ide. Border bandu floral jal. Pallu bandu floral brocade. ಇದರ ಬ್ಲೌಸ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಮಗೆ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಇದೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಡಿಸೈನ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬ ಡೀಟೇಲಿಂಗ್ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ಸಾರಿ ಹಿಡಿಸ್ದಂಗಾದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ಶಾಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ and send it to a WhatsApp number. The code ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು AB341 and the price it also 7,760. So ಕನ್ನಡದವ್ರು ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಇತ್ತು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನೋ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಥವಾ ಏನಾದರೂ ಸಾರಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ಕೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು, ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರು, ಖಂಡಿತ ನೀವು ನಮ್ಮ ನಂಬರ್ ಅದು 8900010002ಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ಟೀಮ್ ಬಂದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಂಥ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಬೇಕಿದ್ರು, ಎಂಥ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಕ್ಲಾರಿಟಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಾರಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಲುಕ್ ಆನ್ ಟು ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಟಿ ಒನ್. This is another beautiful one. This is the color peach. Coming to the body, beautiful cross lines in zari. Coming to the border, we have got beautiful floral booties and lines. Coming to the border, come to the pallu, beautiful floral brocade, and come to the blouse, beautiful self one. It's actually very pretty. I'll give you the pricing and the contact details. So here it is. The code is AD202 and the price it is for 5,520. Very cool, very pretty, ವೆರಿ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್. ನನಗಂತೂ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯಿತು. సో కలర్స్ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, డిజైన్స్ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. సో ఇప్పుడు ఇంకొక సారీ చూసేద్దాం. ఇది వచ్చేసి మనకి బ్యూటిఫుల్, ఇది కూడా కడి జార్జెట్ అండి, చాలా చాలా బాగుంది. వచ్చిన కలర్ రాయల్ బ్లూ. సో మనకి బాడీ అంతా ఫ్లోరల్ అండ్ బాంతిని డాట్స్ ఇన్ సర్కిల్ ఉంది. బార్డర్కి వచ్చరికి ఫ్లోరల్ జాల్. దీని పళ్ళు వచ్చరికి మనకి ఫ్లోరల్ అండ్ బాంతిని డాట్స్ ఇన్ సర్కిల్స్. అండ్ దీని బ్లౌజ్ వచ్చేసరికి మనకి సెల్ఫ్. చాలా చాలా అందంగా ఉంది. ఐల్ గివ్ యూ ద ప్రైసింగ్ అండ్ ద కాంటాక్ట్ డీటెయిల్స్. సో హియర్ ఇట్ ఈస్. ది కోడ్ ఈస్ Y242 and the price details for 9,200. That's a very pretty and a lovely one. So color is extremely brilliant and designs are beautiful. Now let's look on to your next pretty color and see how lovely and amazing it is. So moving on to the next pretty one. This is the color beautiful purple. So beautiful purple. Comes to the body peacock booties in zari. Come to the border beautiful diamonds and florals with elephants and peacocks. So let's see the pallu. So beautiful floral brocade. And let's see the blouse. It's a lovely self one. This is actually beautiful, right? I'll give you the pricing and the contact details of this lovely one. So here it is. The code is AD191 and the price it tells for 8,840. So very very beautiful, very lovely and very colorful. Okay, so this is actually beautiful, right? So எல்லாமே வந்து எல்லா சாரீஸ் வந்து ரொம்ப அழகாக இருக்குது, ரொம்ப இன்னும் புதுவாக இருக்குது. ஸோ ரொம்ப டிசைன் வந்து ரொம்ப ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்குது. ஸோ அவங்களுக்கு வந்து எதுமா சாரின்னு பிடிச்சிருந்தோ என்னோட நம்பர் 8900010002க்கு வாட்ஸ்அப் பண்ணுங்க. உன்னோட ஃபேவரட் சாரின்னு உங்களுக்கு சொந்தமாக பண்ணுங்க. உங்களுக்கு எதுமா பிடிச்சதில்லை, எதுமா என்னோட கேட்கணும் எனக்கு நினச்சதா என்னோட காமெண்ட்ஸில் மெசேஜ் போடுங்க. நான் அதை படிக்க நான் உங்களுக்கு கம்ப்ளீட் டீட்டெயில்ஸ் ஒரு கம்ப்ளீட் சாரி இன் டீட்டெயில் நான் போட்டுட்டு நான் உனக்கு தோடுவேன். ஸோ லெட்ஸ் லுக் ஆன் டு த நெக்ஸ்ட் பியூட்டிஃபுல் கலர் அண்ட் see how it is. So here comes another beautiful one which is in the color beautiful mustard. So come to the body వచ్చరికి మనకి floral booties and bandhani dots and zari boxes. బార్డర్కి వచ్చరికి మనకి స్మాల్ ఖడి అండ్ ఫ్లోరల్ జాల్. పళ్ళు వచ్చరికి ఫ్లోరల్ బుటీస్ అండ్ బాందినీ డాట్స్. దీని బ్లౌజ్ వచ్చేసరికి మనకి సెల్ఫ్. సో చాలా చాలా అందంగా ఉంది కదా. ఈసారి ఇన్ డీటెయిల్ చూసేద్దాం. I'll give you the pricing and the contact details. The code is V477 and the price details for 11,120. So let's see the saree in detail. And Japan kadandi, like we have our outlets in Andhra, Telangana, Karnataka and also in Tamil Nadu. We have the biggest store in Kanchipuram. So do visit your favorite nearest Varmalakshmi store to avail the best lovely collections and designs. These are actually pretty and lovely too. And yes, let's see the saree in detail because I love Georgette Japan kada. Like I have a special love towards Georgette because it will make you look slim. Though even though you're slim, it will make you look that proper body shape it's going to give you. So andukani naaku Georgette ante chaala chaala ishtam. So ee saree manaki ready ga undi okasari chusedam. That's a very pretty and a lovely color. The designs are extremely beautiful. The colors are amazing. At the same time, every saree is very very beautiful. So moving on to the next color and see how lovely and amazing it is. So here comes another beautiful one. What's in the color blue and green, which has got a beautiful dual tone. Come into the body, geometrical shapes. Come to the border, beautiful floral jal. So let's see the pallu, floral booties, and let's see the blouse. It's a lovely self one. Okay, it's actually a beautiful one. I'll give you the pricing and the contact details. So here it is. The code is Z211 and the price it also 10,320. That's a very pretty and a lovely one. I just enjoyed showing you all the beautiful sarees, and I have a lot more to show you all. Please be patient and please do, you know, wait and watch the live till the end, and you will get to see all the lovely colors. So moving on to the next pretty one, which is in the color pink in orange. So one of my favorite combinations. Naaku ee combination edo oka cinema lo chusi naaku gurtundannamata. So appati nunchi I just love this combination, that is pink in orange. So that too in my favorite Georgette sarees. Coming to the body, beautiful zari lines. Border ko chatti beautiful floral jal and diamonds. So here comes the pallu, beautiful floral brocade. Here comes the blouse. It's a lovely contrast one. It's an orange one. I'll give you the pricing and the contact details. So here it is. The code is AB439 and the price details for 8,640. That's a very brilliant or a lovely one. Every color is beautiful, every design is amazing, and every lovely color is awesome. So moving on to the next one. So let's see another beautiful color, which is in the color peacock blue with pink. So comes the body, beautiful floral booties in zari. So let's see the border, beautiful floral jal with booties in lines. Coming to the pallu, beautiful floral jal in lines. So let's see the blouse. We have got an amazing contrast one. I'll give you the pricing and the contact details. So here it is. The code is Z178 and the price it is for 8,880. So ಹೇಳೋದಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ಕಲರ್ಸು ತುಂಬ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಯುನೀಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಒಂಥರ ತುಂಬ ಏನೋ ಹೊಸದಾಗಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲನೂ. ನನಗಂತೂ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳೋದಲ್ಲ, ಜಾರ್ಜೆಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಸೊ ಅದು ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಣ್ಣ ಕಾಣಬೇಕೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಸಣ್ಣ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಬೋದು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದೇ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಕು. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಎಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಹೋಗಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನೀವು ಖಂಡಿತ ವರಮಹಾಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ಮತ್ತೆ ತೊಗೋತೀರ ನೀವು, ಅಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲನೂ. ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ಒನ್ ಬೈ ಒನ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ವಾಚ್ ದ ಲೈಫ್ ಟಿಲ್ ಏನು ಬಿಡಬೇಡಿ, ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ. ಸೊ ಖಂಡಿತ ಪೂರ ಲೈವ್ ಮುಗಿಯೋವರೆಗೂ ನೋಡಿ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಾಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮೂಲಕ ತಿಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡಿ. ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನು ಓದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟಾಗಿ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಟಿ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Now let's look on to the beautiful one. So here comes another lovely one, which is in the color black and red. So come to the body, beautiful peacock, these lions and elephants in circles. Come to the border, beautiful floral jal with birds. Okay. So let's see the pallu, beautiful floral brocade with birds. And coming to the blouse, a lovely contrast one. This is also extremely brilliant. I'll give you the pricing and the contact details. The code is AB330 and the price it is for 8,320. Very cute, no? Take a screenshot and ping us on 8900010002 if you have any queries, any shipment details or any queries you have. So please do WhatsApp us on our number, that is 8900010002. இப்போ வந்து நம்மளோட என்னோட சாரி பாருங்க. ஸோ இப்போ வந்து எல்லா சாரீஸுமே புதுவாக இருக்குது, ரொம்ப அழகாக இருக்குது, ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்குது. கலர்ஸ் வந்து ரொம்ப பிரைட்டாக இருக்குது. ஒரு பேசல் கலர்ஸ் வேணுமா, பேசல் கலர்ஸ் இருக்குது. உன்னோட எதுமா கலர் வேணுமோ ಅಥವಾ எதுமா டிசைன் வேணுமோ கமெண்ட்ஸ் மூலமாக எனக்கு ಏನೋ ಕೇಕುಂಗ ನಾವು வந்து உங்களுக்கு எதுமா பிடிச்சதோ நான் அது சாரி வந்து நான் உங்களுக்கு தோடுறேன். ஸோ நான் இப்போ வந்து நெக்ஸ்ட் என்னோட சாரி இருக்குன்னா பார்க்கலாம். இப்போ வந்து we have the sea green saree இருக்கு. sea green with teal blue கலரா ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கு. ஸோ comes to the body. ஸோ பாடி வந்து செக்ஸ் இருக்கு, பாடி எல்லாமே செக்ஸ் இருக்கு. பார்டர் வந்து ஃப்ளோரல் வைன்ஸ் இருக்கு. இப்போ பல்லு பார்க்கலாம். பல்லு வந்து brocade இருக்கு. பல்லு வந்து உன்னோட பிளவுஸ் வந்து கான்ட்ராஸ்ட் இருக்கு. ரொம்ப ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கே, ரொம்ப புதுவா இருக்கே ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கே உங்களுக்கு எதுமா சாரி வேணுமோ ஸ்கிரீன்ஷாட் பண்ணுங்க என்னோட நம்பர் 89000100க்கு அனுப்புங்க ஸோ உங்களுக்கு எதுமா ஃபேவரட் இருக்குனோ அது உன்னோட சொந்தமாக பாருங்கள் இப்போ வந்து இந்த சாரியோட கோட் இந்த சாரியோட ப்ரைஸிங் வந்து நான் இப்போ I will be showing you the code வந்து MJ2015 இந்த சாரியோட ப்ரைஸ் வந்து 11,040 ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கு இல்லையா as I already told you நம்மளோட ஷோரூம் வந்து ஆந்திரா தெலுங்கானா கர்நாடகா தமிழ்நாடுல இருக்கு காஞ்சிபுரம்ல வந்து பெரிய ஷோரூம் இருக்கு உங்களுக்கு புரிஞ்சதோ ஷோரூம்க்கு போங்க ஷோரூம்க்கு போயிட்டு உங்களுக்கு எதுமா சாரி வேணும் உங்களுக்கு பிங்க் பண்ணுங்க 100 நம்பர் ஆஃப் சாரீஸ் இருக்கு ஷோரூம்ல உங்களுக்கு எதுமா புரிஞ்சதோ எதுமா பிரீத்தி வந்ததோ you can just take that. So moving on to the next one. So let's look on to another beautiful one. This is another beautiful red and mustard one. Come to the body, beautiful all over floral booties. So let's see the border. It's a beautiful floral and leaves. Let's see the pallu, beautiful diamonds and cross checks. And let's see the blouse. We have got an amazing contrast one. This is actually beautiful. I'll give you the pricing and the contact details. The code is V479 and the price details for 7,680. That's actually a lovely and a brilliant one. Now moving on to the next pretty color and see how beautiful and amazing the next saree is going to look. Every sarees are brilliant. Every saree is beautiful. As I already told you earlier, చాలా అందంగా ఉండబోతుందండి. కలర్స్ కూడా చెప్తూనే ఉంటాను. నేను నాకైతే ఇక్కడ కలెక్షన్స్ అన్ని చాలా నచ్చుతున్నాయి బికాజ్ కలర్స్ అయితే ఒక్కదాన్ని మించి ఒకటి ఉంది కళ్ళు పేలిపోయేలా ఉంది అంత బాగున్నాయి కలర్స్ అన్ని కూడా అవన్నీ మీకు 1 by 1 చూపిస్తాను వాట్స్ ద లైఫ్ టిల్ ద ఎండ్ ఇదే సారీ మీకు లైట్ పీచ్ అండ్ లైట్ గ్రీన్లో చూపించాను ఇప్పుడు లైట్ బ్లూలో చూపిస్తున్నాను సో కమ్ టు ద బాడీ బ్యూటిఫుల్ క్రాస్ లైన్స్ అండ్ జరీ కమ్ టు ద బార్డర్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ బుటీస్ అండ్ డైమండ్స్ అండ్ లైన్స్ సో లెట్స్ సీ ద పల్లు సో బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఫ్లోరల్ brocade okay now let's see the blouse it's a lovely contrast one so I'll give you the pricing and the contact details. So here it is. The code is AD211 and the price it is for 5,520. So very cute, very lovely, very beautiful. So moving on to the next one. So let's see how brilliant and amazing it is. So here comes another one. It's in the color wine and green. So beautiful, right? So body bandu namge zari checks ide. Border bandu peacocks and florals and lines. Pallu bandu floral booties and cross checks. So idr blouse bandu contrast ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜಸ್ ನ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸೊ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಯಾವ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಫರ್ಟಬಲ್ ಹೇಳಿ ದಿ ಕೋಡ್ ಇಸ್ Z150 and the price details for 8,640 ಸೊ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಡಿಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ತುಂಬಾ ಹೊಸದಾಗಿದೆ ನನಗದು ತುಂಬಾ ಹಿಡಿಸ್ತಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಲರ್ನು ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋ ಹಾಗೆ ನನಗೆ ಗ್ರೀನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಷ್ಟ ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಜಾರ್ಜೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನ ಇಷ್ಟ ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ now let's have a look on the next one and see how it is. So here comes the beautiful one with the color beautiful wow gray and black beautiful right coming to the body beautiful bandhani florals and cross checks come to the border beautiful floral jal and cross lines. So let's see the pallu so beautiful floral booties and cross checks and let's see the blouse a beautiful contrast black one it's actually very beautiful. I'll give you the pricing and the contact details. So here it is. The code is Y217 and the price details for 9,600. ఇప్పుడు ఇంకొకసారి చూసేద్దాం అది ఎంత అందంగా ఎంత బ్యూటిఫుల్గా ఉందో సో చాలా అందంగా ఉన్నాయండి కలెక్షన్స్ అన్నీ కూడా చాలా డిఫరెంట్గా ఉన్నాయి సో నేను చెప్తూనే ఉంటాను అండ్ యాజ్ ఐ ఆల్రెడీ టోల్డ్ వీ హ్యావ్ గ్లోబల్ కొరియర్ సర్వీస్ ఇంటర్నేషనల్ షిప్పింగ్ అనేది ఉంది సిఓడి కూడా ఉంది సిఓడి అనేది మనకి 6 AM to 1 PM ఉంది సో అట్ ద సేమ్ టైం మనకి స్టోర్ కూడా అదే టైంలో ఓపెన్ ఉంటుంది అండ్ గ్లోబల్ కొరియర్కి అయితే కొంచెం టైం పడుతుంది సో ప్లీజ్ బీ పేషెంట్ ప్లీజ్ టు కోఆపరేట్ సో ఈ శారీ వచ్చేసి మనకి బ్యూటిఫుల్ yellow అండ్ పింక్ బాడీ వచ్చేసరికి పీకాక్ బుటీస్ అండ్ జరీ చెక్స్ border ko chaki floral jal with paisley booties and cross lines and lines pallu chaki manki floral booties and zari checks and the blouse chaki manki contrast so చాలా అందంగా ఉంది కదా I'll give you the pricing and the contact details. So here it is. The code is Z213 and the price it also 8,160. So very beautiful. இப்போ வந்து நெக்ஸ்ட் சாரீ பார்க்கலாம். ரொம்ப ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கு. என்னோடய ஃபேவரட் கலர் வந்துச்சு. இது வந்து க்ரீன் அண்ட் மஜந்தாவில் இருக்கா. ஸோ ஒன் ஆஃப் மை ஃபேவரட் காம்பினேஷன் என்னென்னா சொல்லணும், எனக்கு க்ரீன் மஜந்தா, க்ரீன் பர்பிள் வந்து ரொம்ப ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். ரொம்ப அழகாக இருக்குது. என்னோடய ஸ்கின் டோனுமே ரொம்ப மேட்ச் ஆகுது. அதுக்காக தான் எனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். இந்த சாரீ வந்து பியூட்டிஃபுல் க்ரீன் அண்ட் பிங்க்ல இருக்கு. பாடி வந்து பீகாக்ஸ் அண்ட் எலிஃபென்ட்ஸ் அண்ட் கிராஸ் செக்ஸ். Border வந்து floral jal with cross lines and lines. Pallu வந்து floral brocade. Blouse வந்து contrast. ரொம்ப ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கு. ரொம்ப டிசைன் வந்து ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கு. இப்போ என்னோட சாரி கோட் அண்ட் டீடைல்ஸ் கொடுக்குறேன். கோட் வந்து AB313. இந்த சாரியோட ப்ரைஸ் வந்து 8320. ஸோ பியூட்டிஃபுல் இல்லையா? எனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிச்சது. கலர்ஸ் எல்லாமே பியூட்டிஃபுல்லாக இருக்கு. கலர்ஸ் எல்லாமே வண்டர்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கு. ஸோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சதோ ஷோருக்கு வெள்ளி ஷாப் பண்ணுங்க. இதுமா வீட்டில் உட்காருங்க, ஹாப்பியாக ரிலாக்ஸ் ஆகுங்க அண்ட் வாட்ஸ் த லைஃப். ஸோ லைஃப் பார்க்கறதுக்கு போனோம். take a screenshot and என்னோட நம்பர் that is 89000100க்கு வாட்ஸ்அப் பண்ணுங்க. இப்போ let's see another beautiful color. This is the color wine. So this is an antique pink. So beautiful antique pink. Come to the body. So beautiful elephants and cross checks. Let's see the border. Beautiful cross lines with peacocks and florals and boxes. Let's see the pallu. So beautiful zigzag lines. And come to the blouse. An amazing contrast. Chala bandi kada. I know I am also liking it. The code is Z168 and the price it is for 10,000. So this is actually beautiful. Now let's look on the beautiful one. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಾರಿ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಡೋಣ ಅದು ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ನನಗಂತೂ ತುಂಬಾ ಹಿಡಿಸ್ತಿದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸು ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ತುಂಬ ಒಂದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಒಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಿಂಚು ಒಂದಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಸಾರಿ ನಾನು ನೋಡ್ಬಿಡೋಣ ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಬಂದು ನಮಗೆ ಯೆಲ್ಲೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಮಸ್ಟರ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಬಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ ಝರಿ ಚೆಕ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಬಾರ್ಡರ್ ಬಂದು ಪೀಕಾಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫ್ಲೋರಲ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್. ಪಲ್ಲು ಬಂದು ಫ್ಲೋರಲ್ ಬ್ರೊಕೇಡ್. ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ನನಗೆ ಇವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ತೋರಿಸಿ. ದಿ ಕೋಡ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಬ್ಲೌಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಸ್ಟ್. ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಕೋಡ್ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರೈಸಿಂಗ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇವಾಗ. ಅದರದ್ದು ಕೋಡ್ ಬಂದು Z135. ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಬಂದು 8640. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ಸಾರಿ ಹಿಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ 8900010002ಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡಿ. ಕೊಂಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸೊ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸರಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರು ಅಥವಾ ಏನಾದರೂ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಾರೀಸ್ ಇದ್ರು ಅಥವಾ ಶಿಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಾರೀಸ್ ಏನಿದ್ರು ನೀವು ಆ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲ್ ಟೀಮ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸದಾ ರೆಡಿ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಸಾರಿನ ನೋಡ್ಬೋಣ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ another lovely one with the color beautiful lovely pink and red. இதுமா வந்து ரொம்ப ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கு. பாடி வந்து ஃப்ளாரல் புட்டீஸ் அண்ட் பாந்தினி டாட்ஸ் அண்ட் கிராஸ் செக்ஸ். கலர் வந்து ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கு. ஸ்மால் டீட்டெயிலிங்ஸ் இருக்குது. அது ரொம்ப ரொம்ப அழகாக பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. ஸோ பார்டர் வந்து ஃப்ளாரல் ஜால் வித் கிராஸ் லைன்ஸ் இருக்கு. இப்போ பல்லு பார்க்கலாம். பல்லு வந்து ஃப்ளாரல் புட்டீஸ் அண்ட் பாந்தினி டாட்ஸ். அண்ட் இந்த சாரியோட ப்ளவுஸ் பார்க்கலாம். ப்ளவுஸ் வந்து கான்ட்ராஸ்ட் இருக்கு. and I'll give you the pricing and the contact details. என்னோட சாரி கோட் வந்து AD189 and the price வந்து 11,120. ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கு இல்லையா? எனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிச்சது. ஸோ நீங்களும் ஷாப் பண்ணலாமா? we have our outlets in Andhra, Telangana, Karnataka and also in Tamil Nadu. So we have the பெரிய ஸ்டோர் வந்து காஞ்சிபுரம்ல இருக்கு. ஸோ நீங்கள் கூட வந்து ஷோருக்கு வெளியே கூட ஷாப் பண்ணலாமா? அண்ட் இஃப் யூ வாண்ட் டு பை இட் ஆன்லைன், ஸோ லைவ் பாருங்கள். உங்களோட எதுமா சாரி பிடிஞ்சதோ ஸ்க்ரீன்ஷாட் பண்ணுங்கள் அண்ட் 8900010002க்கு அனுப்புங்க. Now let's see another beautiful saree and see how it is. So here comes another lovely one. సో ఇది కూడా చాలా బాగుందండి. ఇది వచ్చేసి గ్రీన్ అండ్ రెడ్ కలర్లో ఉంది. సో బాడీ అంతా మనకి జరీ లైన్స్లో ఉంది. చాలా అందంగా ఉంది కదా. సో బార్డర్కి వచ్చేసరికి మనకి ఫ్లోరల్ జాల్ ఉంది. సో దీని పళ్ళు చూసేద్దాం. పళ్ళు వచ్చేసరికి ఫ్లోరల్ బ్రొకేడ్ ఉంది. ఓకే, సో దీని బ్లౌజ్ వచ్చేసరికి మనకి చాలా మంచి కాంట్రాస్ట్ ఉంది. చాలా అందంగా ఉంది కదా. ఐల్ గివ్ ద ప్రైసింగ్ అండ్ ద కాంటాక్ట్ డీటెయిల్స్ ఇప్పుడు చూసేద్దాం. దీని కోడ్ వచ్చేసి మనకి Z223. దీని ప్రైస్ వచ్చేసి 8640. సో చాలా చాలా అందంగా ఉంది, నాకైతే చాలా చాలా నచ్చేసింది. బికాజ్ అన్నీ కూడా దాని నుంచి ఒకటి ఉందండి. కలర్స్ అయితే ఎంత బాగుంది, డిజైన్స్ కూడా అంతే బాగుంది. ఇప్పుడు ఇంకొకసారి చూసిద్దాం ఎంత బాగుందో. ఇట్స్ ద కలర్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ చాక్లెట్ బ్రౌన్. ఇట్స్ యాక్చువల్లీ వెరీ వెరీ బ్యూటిఫుల్, వన్ ఆఫ్ మై ఫేవరెట్ కలర్స్ బికాజ్ I just love this color. I don't know, I have many reasons. I love many colors. So after coming down to Varamahalakshmi, I started loving each color because every color they make sure that they, you know, the saree is very very pretty and elegant. So since I started this live show, I started loving all the colors from Varamahalakshmi. So I hope you will also definitely love the colors. So one step down to Varamahalakshmi and see the magic. So here comes another lovely one, which is in the color brown. Comes to the body, beautiful floral booties and diamonds with zari. Let's see the border, beautiful floral and leaf jaan. Let's see the pallu, beautiful floral booties and zari. And let's see the blouse. We have got another beautiful self one. Okay, I'll show the saree in detail and I'll also give you the pricing and the contact details. The code is Z145 and the price details for 8584. So let's see this saree in detail. So as I already told you earlier, like இது வந்து எல்லா sarees வந்து விவர்ஸ் ப்ரைஸில் இருக்கு. ஸோ ரொம்ப ரொம்ப பெரிய பெரிய டிஸ்கவுண்ட்ஸில் இருக்கு. லைவ் பாருங்க, ஃபேஸ்புக் இன்ஸ்டாவில் லைவ் எவ்ரி டே வந்து லைக் லைவ் another like it's happening. So watch the live and get your favorite sarees which is on great discount sale. And now this saree is ready to watch. Let's have a look. That's a very pretty and a beautiful one. Now let's look on to the next lovely color and see how it is. So moving on to the next beautiful one, which is in the color lovely sage green. So let's see the body. So comes to the body, elephants, parrot, bees and peacocks and horses and zari checks. Let's see the border. So coming to the border, floral jal and cross lines. So let's see the pallu. So beautiful floral booties. And come to the blouse, we have got a very pretty self one. This is actually beautiful. I'll give you the pricing and the contact details. The code is V411 and the price details for 7760. Let's take a screenshot and ping is on 89001002. So ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಾರಿ ನಾನು ನೋಡ್ಬೋಣ ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆಯೋ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಲೈಫ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡೋರಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ ನನಗೆ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಷ್ಟನೋ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಗ್ರೀನು ಉಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಇವಾಗ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಕೂಡ. ಸೊ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಗ್ರೀನ್. ಸೊ ಬಾಡಿ ಬಂದು ನಮಗೆ ಫ್ಲಾರಲ್ ಬುಟೀಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಜರಿ ಇದೆ. ಬಾರ್ಡರ್ ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಮಗೆ ಫ್ಲಾರಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲೀಪ್ ಜಾಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಜರಿ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಪಲ್ಲು ಬಂದು ನಮಗೆ ಡೈಮಂಡ್ ಬ್ರೊಕೇಡ್. ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಬ್ಲೌಸ್ ಬಂದು ನಮಗೆ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಸ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ತುಂಬ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಕೋಡ್ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಕೋಡ್ ಬಂದು AD213. ಇದರ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಬಂದು 8320. ಸೊ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ತುಂಬ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಕಲರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲದೂ ತುಂಬ ಏನೋ డిఫరెంట్గా ఎలిగెంట్ ఆಗಿದೆ. సో ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್సರಿ ನಾವು ನೋಡೋಣ. వా, ఇది కూడా చాలా బాగుందండి. ఇది వచ్చేసి మనకి నేవీ బ్లూ విత్ మస్టర్డ్లో ఉంది. బాడీ వచ్చరికి మనకి ఎలిఫెంట్స్ అండ్ పీకాక్స్ విత్ ఫ్లోరల్ జాన్. సో లెట్స్ సీ ద బార్డర్. బార్డర్కి వచ్చరికి మనకి లవ్లీ ఫ్లోరల్ జాన్. పళ్ళు వచ్చరికి మనకి ఫ్లోరల్ బ్రొకేడ్. దీని బ్లౌజ్ వచ్చేసరికి మనకి కాంట్రాస్ట్. చాలా అందంగా ఉంది కదా. I'll give you the pricing and the contact details. So here it is. The code is Z209 and the price it is for 7680. So beautiful, right? Yes, என்னோட sarees வந்து ரொம்ப ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கு, என்னோட ரொம்ப பிடிச்சது. ஸோ இப்போ இந்த saree பார்க்கலாம். இந்த saree வந்து டார்க் க்ரீன் வித் பர்பிள் காம்பினேஷனில் வந்துச்சு. ஸோ பாடி வந்து ஃப்ளாரல் புட்டீஸ் அண்ட் கர்வி செக்ஸ் இது. பார்டர் பார்க்கலாம். பார்டர் வந்து ஃப்ளாரல் ஜால் வித் டைமண்ட்ஸ் இருக்கு. பல்லு பார்க்கலாம். பல்லு வந்து ஃப்ளாரல் brocade. இப்போ ப்ளவுஸ் பாருங்க. ப்ளவுஸ் வந்து கான்ட்ராஸ்ட். ஸோ ரொம்ப ரொம்ப அழகாக இருக்கு. ரொம்ப டிசைன் வந்து ரொம்ப க்யூட்டாக இருக்கு. எனக்கு க்ரீன் அண்ட் பர்பிள் காம்பினேஷன் ரொம்ப பிடிச்சது. எதுமா தெரியுது, க்ரீன் பர்பிள், க்ரீன் ப்ளூ, க்ரீன் மெஜந்தா என்னோட ஃபேவரட் காம்பினேஷன்ஸ். ஸோ இந்த சாரியோட கோட் வந்து AD199. இந்த சாரியோட ப்ரைஸிங் வந்து 10,640. ரொம்ப ரொம்ப அழகாக இருக்கு, ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கு, எனக்கு ரொம்ப புரிஞ்சுது. ஸோ இப்போ என்ன பண்ணணும், ஸ்க்ரீன்ஷாட் பண்ணுங்க, என்னோட நம்பர் 8900010002க்கு அனுப்புங்க. ஸோ எல்லா சாரீஸ் வந்து ரொம்ப ரொம்ப அழகாக இருக்கு, ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கு. ஸோ ஷாப் பண்ணலாமா, என்ன பண்ணுறது எனக்கு உனக்கு தெரியும் இல்லையா, அதுதான் பண்ணுங்க. இப்போ வந்து லெட்ஸ் ஹாவ் அ லுக் ஆன் தி நெக்ஸ்ட் சாரி. ஸோ let's have a look. It's a beautiful red and green. So name base kunano saree andulo it's a different color. It's exactly a contrast one. Come to the body, zari checks. Come to the border, beautiful peacocks and florals in lines. Come to the pallu, beautiful floral brocade. Dini blouse vachesariki manki contrast. I'll give you the pricing and the contact details. So here it is. The code is Z204 and the price retails for 8,640. So beautiful, right? So ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಾರಿ ನೋಡೋಣ, ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ತುಂಬ ತುಂಬಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. ವಾವ್, ಇದು ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ದ ಕಲರ್ ರಾಯಲ್ ಬ್ಲೂ. ಸೊ ರಾಯಲ್ ಬ್ಲೂ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ರಾಯಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತು, ನನಗೂ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ ರಾಯಲ್ ಬ್ಲೂ ಕಲರ್. ಸೊ ಬಾಡಿ ಬಂದು ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಫ್ಲೋರಲ್ ಬುಟೀಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಝರಿ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಬಾರ್ಡರ್ ಬಂದು ಫ್ಲೋರಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೈಮಂಡ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಫ್ಲೋರಲ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್. ಪಲ್ಲು ಬಂದು ಫ್ಲೋರಲ್ ಬ್ರೊಕೇಡ್. ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಬ್ಲೌಸ್ ಬಂದು ನಮಗೆ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ನಮಗೆ ಕೋಡ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಾನು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಕೋಡ್ ಬಂದು AB328. ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಬಂದು 8,160. ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ನನಗಂತೂ ತುಂಬ ಹಿಡಿಸ್ತು, ನಿಮಗೂ ಹಿಡಿಸಿದೆ ಅಂತಲೇ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹಿಡಿಸಿರೋದಾದರೆ 8900010002ಗೆ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ చేసేసేయండి and you get to see a lot of colors. So moving on to the next pretty one, which is a beautiful, wow, lovely wine color. Come to the body, beautiful floral booties with bandhani dots. Come to the border, floral booties and diamonds. Border को चल के floral booties and diamonds. పళ్ళు వచ్చేసరికి ఫ్లోరల్ బుటీస్ అండ్ డైమండ్స్. దీని బ్లౌజ్ వచ్చేసరికి మనకి కాంట్రాస్ట్. సో చాలా అందంగా ఉంది కదా. గివ్ ద ప్రైసింగ్ అండ్ ద కాంటాక్ట్ డీటెయిల్స్. ది కోడ్ ఈస్ AD194 అండ్ దీని ప్రైస్ వచ్చేసరికి మనకి 11,120. సో చాలా బాగుంది కదా. So now let's have a look on to the next one. So as I already told you earlier, all the beautiful sarees are for Weavers price. So please get your hands on them. And these are all exclusively single piece sarees. So and the offer will be only valid for 24 hours. This is another beautiful color, which is in the color grey. Come to the body, animals and floral zal and zari. So let's see the pallu, beautiful paisley booties. So border ko chaki floral with horses and deers and cross lines. Pallu chaki paisley booties. Okay, so the blouse వచ్చేసరికి మనకి సెల్ఫ్. చాలా బాగుంది కదా. I'll give you the pricing and the contact details. So here it is. The code is AB336 and the price it is for 7,760. This is actually very lovely and I'm just enjoying the collections. So this is another very pretty one because every color is so beautiful. Now let's look on to the next lovely color and see how beautiful, amazing these are, because every saree I'm just loving the collection. So as I already told you, all the colors, everything is so brilliant, and I want to show you all the lovely colors. So please watch the live till the end. So moving on to the next lovely color, which is the color beautiful, lovely magenta and green. Coming to the body, zari checks. Border culture ki peacocks and florals in line. Comes to the pallu, beautiful floral brocade. And let's see the blouse, a beautiful contrast one. I'll give you the pricing and the contact details. So here it is. The code is Z202. And the price details for 8,640. Now let's look on to the next lovely color and see how it is. Here comes another lovely one, which is the color dark green. Come to the body, beautiful floral booties and bandhani dots in zari check. Come to the border, diamonds and floral jal and lines. Come to the pallu, beautiful floral brocade. And let's see the blouse. It's a lovely contrast one. I'll give you the pricing and the contact details. So here it is. The code is Y144 and the price details for 11,200. Now let's look on to the next beautiful color and see how it is. So moving on to the next lovely color, which is the color pink. So beautiful pink. So come to the border, beautiful, come to the body, beautiful zari checks. Come to the border, peacocks and florals in lines. Come to the border, peacocks and florals in lines. So pallu is a beautiful floral and leaf jal. And let's see the blouse. We have got a very pretty contrast one. I'll give you the pricing and the contact details. So here it is. The code is Z140 and the price details for 8,640. That's a beautiful one. Now let's look on to the next lovely color and see how amazing it is. So one more beautiful green. So chala greens vastunayi roju naaku chala ishtam. So idu nodboda ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಇದು ಬಂದು ನಮಗೆ green ಮತ್ತೆ pink color ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. Come to the body, body bandu peacocks and elephants and cross checks. Come to the pallu, beautiful diamond brocade. So let's see the blouse. Blouse ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಮಗೆ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾವು ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನೋ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ನ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಕೋಡ್ ಬಂದು AD209. ಇದರ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಬಂದು 8,320. ಸೊ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ இப்போ வந்து இன்னொரு சாரி பார்க்கலாம். ஸோ இதுமா வந்து ரொம்ப ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கு. இது வந்து ரொம்ப லைட் கலர். ஸோ பாடி வந்துச்சு இப்போ ஃப்ளாரல் அண்ட் லீவ் ஜால் அண்ட் லைன்ஸ் இருக்கு. பார்டர் வந்து zigzag லைன். பல்லு பார்க்கலாம். பல்லு வந்து zigzag lines தான் இருக்கும். இந்த சாரியோட பிளவுஸ் பார்க்கலாம். இப்போ செல்ஃப் தான் இருக்கு. ரொம்ப ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கு. ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கு. இப்போ வந்து என்னோட சாரி வரும் க்ளோஸ் கோட் அண்ட் பிரைஸ் நான் இப்படி தோணுது. இந்த கோட் வந்து AD212. இந்த சாரியோட பிரைஸ் வந்து 5,520. ஸோ வெரி பியூட்டிஃபுல் இல்லையா? எனக்கு ரொம்ப புரிஞ்சுது. எல்லா கலர்ஸும் ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கு. பிரைட் கலர்ஸ் இருக்கு, லைட் கலர்ஸ் இருக்கு. உங்களுக்கு எதமா புரிஞ்சுதோ ஸ்க்ரீன்ஷாட் பண்ணுங்க and 8900010002க்கு அனுப்புங்க. எப்போ now let's have a look on to the next pretty one, which is the color beautiful red and green color. Come to the body, beautiful floral booties in zari. Border ko cheki we have got beautiful floral jal with zigzag lines. Let's see the pallu, beautiful diamond brocade. And come to the blouse, we have got a very pretty contrast one. Okay, I'll give you the pricing and the contact details. So here it is, the code is AD188 and the price it is for 8,160. So now let's look on to the next lovely color and see how it is. So moving on to the next beautiful color, this green is actually beautiful, very pretty basically. Wow. So coming to the body, floral booties in zari. Coming to the border, beautiful diamond and floral jal in lines. Pallu వచ్చరికి diamond brocade. దీని blouse వచ్చేసరికి we have got beautiful contrast one. This is very elegant. I'll give you the pricing and the contact details. So here it is. The code is Z141 and the price details for 10,480. Now let's look on to the next lovely color and see how it is. So moving on to the next beautiful one. What's in the color? Blue and magenta. So beautiful, right? Coming to the body, beautiful elephants and cross checks. Coming to the border, beautiful floral and cross lines and lines. Coming to the pallu, beautiful floral brocade. Let's see the blouse, it's a lovely contrast one. I'll give you the pricing and the contact details. So here it is. The code is AD205 and the price details for 8,320. That's actually a cute one. So chala baagundi kada. So moving on to the next lovely color. So let's see how beautiful it is. Wow, this is another lovely one. What's in the color? Green. Beautiful greens. Chala baagundi. Body anta manki lovely floral and bandhani dots and cross checks. Coming to the border, beautiful floral booties and cross checks. Pallu వచ్చరికి floral brocade. So let's see the blouse. We have got a very pretty contrast one. So chala baagundi kada, very pretty. I'll give you the pricing and the contact details. The code is AD196 and the price returns for 11,120. So moving on to the next lovely color. So let's see another beautiful one and see how lovely and amazing it is. Wow, this is another beautiful one. What's in the color? Purple and red. Comes to the body, beautiful zari lines with curvy lines and lines. So let's see the border, floral jal. Let's see the pallu, beautiful floral brocade. And here comes the blouse, it's a lovely contrast one. I'll give you the pricing and the contact details. So here it is. The code is Z166 and the price details for 8,640. Now let's look on to the next beautiful one and see how it is. So here comes another lovely one, which is in the color sea green. Come to the body, beautiful flower pieces with floral booties. Come to the border, beautiful zigzag lines. Let's see the pallu, beautiful zigzag line. The blouse is a beautiful contrast. I'll give you the pricing and the contact details. So here it is. The code is Z187 and the price details for 10,000. So let's look on to the next lovely color and see how the beautiful color is going to look. Wow, this is another lovely one which is in the color beautiful magenta and green. So beautiful magenta and green. Come to the body, beautiful floral and elephants in zari check. Come to the border, beautiful floral jal. Come to the pallu, beautiful floral brocade. And let's see the blouse. We have got an amazing contrast one. So chala baagundi kada. I'll give you the pricing and the contact details. The code is AB342 and the price retails for 9,840. Now let's look on to the next lovely color. Here comes the last saree of today's collection. What's in the color royal blue and yellow. Comes to the body floral and leaf jal with peacock. Come to the border floral jal with peacocks. Let's see the pallu, beautiful floral brocade with peacocks. So come to the blouse, we have got amazing contrast one. I'll give you the pricing and the contact details. The code is AB295 and the price is also 7,680. So that's a beautiful collections for today. I just love showing you all the beautiful sarees. So before we end up the live, let's have a quick look at the mannequins and see how they are. So moving on to the first beautiful mannequin. What's in the color grey? So come to the body, lovely floral and leaf jal with black with zari. Come to the border, beautiful floral jal. So let's see the pallu. So beautiful floral and leaf jal with peacocks. So the blouse is self. I'll give you the pricing and the contact details. The code is AD210 and the price retails for 7,760. So moving on to the second beautiful mannequin. It's this beautiful second beautiful mannequin. What's in the color? Pista green. So come to the body. So beautiful floral and leaf jal with birds. Come to the pallu, floral brocade. So let's see the blouse. So beautiful self and coming to the pricing and the contact details, I'll give you. The code is AB338 and the price details for 7,760. So yes, that's it for today. Malli I will be seeing you all again on the 2 p.m. live tomorrow and Malli evening kuda kalusukuntaru repu evening. So until then, keep missing me, keep buying sarees with Varmalakshmi, and here's your Anika signing off.